Hi, my name is Sergio Bravo. I'm talking about the theme CSS, Cascade and Inherence. Good. What is inherent? Inherence. Inherent is some important in this construction the web page. Inherence is about parent and child, the relation the child and parent. What means this? The parent, for example, in the life, your father have blue eyes, so the son have you have eyes blue too. In the web page is the same. There are things that no inherent. For example, the width of div. Imagination that parent that have uh, 17 the width. Your son or your children inherits 17 width. This is terrible work. In this structure HTML, I have for default in the browser show this. Okay, in my file estilo I have this code. The parent is HTML. Okay, why? Because the tag HTML is out, is the content, the head and body. Okay, and body is parent this and this. The theory say that this inherits the property the tag HTML. So I am going call this. Let's see the CSS code. I'm going this comment this part. Okay, the parent HTML have background color blue, so your child's inherits this property. For default, the tag H1, the background is transparent, and paragraph 2. so 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 you show the color blue. Let's open the inspector. You will clearly realize how the father property inherits. The parent HTML font 75 perdana. You see, okay. I'm going to give h1 a property. Okay, the C thing, the h1 part, the C thing, the 17.5, the HTML, the tag. Okay, it the C thing, the font inherits the browser. The browser have 16. The browser, the C font 12 or 16. Okay, uh, when I change the C font, for example, docs 12 px change the C because I have worked in percentages. I am working on percentages. I change the 100 percentages in chain for this. Okay, is inherence. Okay, using inherence you can specify the font properties for the HTML tag or body elements, and the style will be inherent by all other elements. You can specify background and text color for a specific container element, and text color will automatically be inherent by a child element in that container. The background color is not inherent. But the initial value for background color is transparent, which means a parent background will shine through. The The effect is similar to the page appearance if background color were inherent. So, what is CSS Cascade? Good. CSS an acronym of Cascade Style Sheet. So it is not a surprise that the cascade is an important concept. There are three main concepts that control the order in which CSS declarations are applied. One, importance; two, specificity; three, source order. Good. I am will explain with examples. I'm going to BC code. Okay. Okay. I have the to tag the specific text into. I'm going a style test. Okay. And we go what have more powers about in the tag. For example, I'm going the tag P. Okay. In this example, we go a put style the tag h1. Okay. In my file style .css, in the line h is my style. Okay. This have color white and font size 300. There are. Okay. And this comment this change the text color, change red. Okay. And this is cascade, so the final position is have power over the tag. I have two tag h1, but the final h1 is have power about this tag. But the concept, the importance say that this text take power about tag. Is red, and now is white. This is before this tag. Okay, importance. Two concepts: the specificity. The specificity I learned the AID puts a specific style class. Okay. Specific is something every CSS author needs to understand and to think about. I will go a example. A specific ID. This used this. Okay. For example, ID okay. So I say that all P font size alt. Okay. Two paragraph. Okay. The two paragraphs have a 80 size. 80 size. Change size to okay. Change the 2p tag. But this identifier, identifier. So I'm going before the p. Okay. Font size 12 pixel. Okay. Change the size. This before, sorry, Yes, this before p after. I'm going this time too. Okay. Mhm. And final finish and finish three source order. How see this if two declaration after the same element have the same importance and the same specificity. The final distinguishing mark is the source order, the declaration that appear later in the style sheet will win over those that come before it. If you have a single external style sheet, then the declaration at the end of the file will override those that occur early in the file if there is conflict. The conflict declaration could as occur in the different style sheet. In this case, the order in which the style sheets are linked, included, or important control that declaration will be applied. So if you have two style sheets linked in a document head, the one linked to forward down will override the one linked to high up. Let's look at practice example of how this works. Okay. This is example the hierarchy. Um, I am work in the tag P. Okay. Uh, we are the show the the game the tag that is final in the list because called the cascade. Okay. And so the concept the overrides the in the final this because I have the font size 50 fighting I change the 25 change this but change position this here in tag style into the head. I push this, take this, chain 50. I wins this because override this. Okay. Um, Other example is that the link style override the style. These have more power uh, over this. Okay. Example. change this moment because uh, this final save. I save this, change the text, but no change in other browsers. Wins this, okay? Wins this, okay? I'm going the example this. I save the stilo 2, save, okay? Y clean this. I'm going to p tag in stilo 2 and stilo file, but in my line 12 this more power override this, okay? So example, change the